Science is cool, especially with Carmelo the Science Fellow as our teacher.
Yay!
Remember, he was here.
Oh, how could I forget?
He came last month to show us some experiments using things like straws, soap, water. Obviously, one of us was good at this. one of us was. What were we doing? We were making a flute.
We were playing our homemade flutes.
Oh, that's what it was. All right, let's redeem ourselves.
Your face.
Let's redeem ourselves.
Oh, God, Marisol. Okay.
I think there's some new experiments
Yes.
to be had. Without any further ado, Carmelo, back to give us another chance.
I'm back. I'm
Good
back.
to see you.
Thank
so
you.
We
good
didn't
to see
scare
you.
you off.
And I think I'm gonna impress you even more this time.
How's that
I
possible?
don't see how it's possible,
You
but...
ready?
Yeah.
Yes.
So time goes quick. I'm gonna start quick. So,
Okay.
4th of July is coming.
Yes.
Yes,
right?
next
Okay.
Tuesday.
Yep.
So when you think about 4th of July, what do you think of?
Fireworks.
Cake, fireworks, barbecues, cake? Yeah, I don't know why, maybe. But let's slide over real quick.
What
so
happens in Puerto Rico?
Imagine at the end of a party, instead of
Cake.
Last time you talked about sustainability,
Yes.
getting rid of
Oh,
things,
yeah.
why create garbage? So in this experiment, what I did was regular paper plate,
Okay.
little bit of tape.
Yep.
I take a cup. I'm just gonna tape it down, right?
Okay.
Oh, the mouth.
And-
Yeah, go do it up here. so
And
we can
now
see
I'm
the
gonna
thing.
take this foil
Okay.
and I'm gonna wrap it around so that it's almost like you're wrapping
Cake.
a cake. How did she do
I
that?
associate cake with the July
You know what,
4th
I
because I always
guarantee-
make cake on July 4th.
I
Guess
missed-
what?
I
I
missed
guarantee
the-
we
the
start
meeting,
with
I
the cake,
guess.
we're gonna end with the cake. Now,
Thank you.
real quick, what does that kind of look like to you?
A volcano.
A
You
mountain.
She is awesome. Now, all right, this out of here real quick. Boom. Now,
We were
watch
just
this.
getting attached. I was just getting
Check this out.
Hold on.
If you think about science fair projects when you were
Yes.
kids,
Oh,
you
gosh.
always think about the volcano,
Yes.
right?
Oh, with the baking soda
Kids love
and the
blowing
thing.
things up.
Right. So now imagine trapping baking soda. Imagine putting dishwashing soap inside of that container. And can each of you please take your finger?
Oh, geez.
And there's nothing inside. And just puncture a hole real
Just
quick.
poke. Boop.
Open that volcano up. And now, can you pry it open a little so that we can pour some vinegar
Like
in
you
there?
mean it, Yipik.
You have to pry yours open, too,
Yeah,
Mommy.
you got to work. Let's go. Pry it. And there's nothing
we're
nothing
making
in
popcorn.
there yet. I promise
This is
you.
Jiffy Pop
Is that
popcorn.
good?
That is,
Carmelo?
you're such a good student. I don't know about this. No, I'm just kidding. I'm kidding.
She's good at double Dutch, though.
Who messed up last time?
Me.
You. Oh, here we go again. So, can you hold this cup, madame?
Yes, sir.
I
was
added
a
red
teacher.
food coloring just for like really cool magma
effects.
effects. So I'm gonna give
magma.
you.
Magma.
So you're gonna get some vinegar. You're gonna get some vinegar. I am going to slide out of the way.
Oh, boy.
And the theme today is gonna be reactions. So do me a favor, pick up those cups of
Jinxies.
vinegar.
See?
I want you to pour it right in, and you're gonna see fast, 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 and just keep looking and keep looking. And for the kids at home, slowly, it looks like you're having this really wonderful magmatic chemical
look at
reaction.
this.
And I'm sorry for the smell of vinegar, but it smells clean.
I actually
so
do like the
cups,
smell of vinegar.
cups. So now, could I ask you guys a question?
Yes.
It's your inner scientist. What's being made right now? What do you see?
Soap.
Soap. But what's being produced?
Air.
Lava.
Lava?
Air.
Air. And air's what? Is it a solid?
A gas.
Is it
It's a gas.
It's a gas. Right, now wait, here's the next question.
We know all
You
about
ready?
gas.
Now check this out. What if we did the same idea,
Okay.
but this time, instead of...
My volcano's still erupting.
Mine
Yeah,
is
it's
too.
going to keep erupting, and that's the beauty of adding dishwashing soap. So now what if I took vinegar...
It's like when you overflow the dishwasher.
True.
Yeah, exactly. Or it's like when you fart in the bathtub sometimes, it just doesn't stop.
You know
right?
what? When you're a scientist, you get to tell fart jokes.
No, listen, I teach children. You have to. So now, do me a favor. Okay, you take this bag. And can you please take this bag?
Yes, sir.
Do we open
And
them?
Open that bag for me. And I'm going to pour the vinegar in the bag. What
More
happens
vinegar.
if we made a volcano
In here?
in the bag?
The
I
bag pop?
don't know.
Wait, what'd you say?
Would the bag pop?
You know, you're such a... I don't
She's
know,
very
I think
smart.
she might be better than you today.
Now
wait,
every
what if
day.
I take
Said
it?
nobody ever.
So look, I'm
Every
going to put
day.
it in this bag just
What's
like
in
this.
there?
You hold it from the
What is
outside.
this?
One hand and zip it with the other. Now I'm going to take this.
That I might not be able to.
I put 4 teaspoons of baking soda.
Oh, baking
Oh,
soda.
okay.
Baking soda.
That's it.
Volcano experiment, baking
Oh,
soda.
sure.
Baking soda. I trapped it in a bag with a little bit of tape. I'm going to put it in here.
And I'm doing the same business?
And I want you to zip
So
it
zip
shut.
it.
I will
Zip it.
double check,
Thank you.
and I'm going to triple check.
Thank you.
Do it in front of the camera.
And this is not saying that you can't do it, but I'm going for efficiency reasons.
Yeah. Okay.
Double check
Double check.
and
He's
triple
doing a sound
check.
effect.
And now, Mike, you said it made air. She said it's a gas. Now the question becomes, here the gas is released.
Yep.
Here we're trapping it.
Uh-oh.
So the beauty is using household chemicals, kids, and making predictions.
Yeah.
What do you think is going to happen here?
This whole bag is gonna pop.
Yeah, what do you think?
That's what my thoughts
All
are.
right, so we're going to hold it. You're going to release your fingers and hold it from the top. And I'm going to squeeze and squeeze and squeeze and squeeze and squeeze. You hold it, hold it, hold it. And trust me, don't be scared. You may smell like vinegar. No.
We need a wide shot on this.
So now that, if you think about 4th of July and you think about popping, right? Okay, did you get a little bit on you? I'm sorry if you did.
No, I didn't.
Now,
That was
I feel like he's treating us like his little students.
I told you I had to be better
He's like
than
children.
I had to be better than last time. Now,
What?
what?
You were fantastic last time.
my thank
You're a
you.
living legend in these parts.
Okay. So,
Science.
you ready for this one?
I
Yes.
hope so.
So whenever you have a lot of acid buildup, right? As especially me, I'm getting older. I just can't digest the way I used to. I don't want to talk about my digestive issues on camera.
Okay.
But, so you take sodium bicarbonate.
Oh, yeah,
Can you take
Alka-Seltzer?
Yeah. Can we say that? Yeah. Okay. Alka-Seltzer.
Sodium bicarbonate.
Sodium bicarbonate.
Let's call it
now,
the science
real quick. This is just regular water.
Okay.
So I want both of you to take the cup of water. Right? Put it in your hand, drop that sodium bicarbonate in there, pick up the cup. Nothing is going to happen here, I promise. What do you see being made again?
Gas.
Gas. Again, we go with the gas. Now, put that down. Now here is something, this one, we're gonna have to be,
The
an
overhead
interesting.
fella.
Should we jump back?
Do you remember, I'm
Film.
older. I think I'm older than
Film.
both.
Yes.
Film.
I know.
Shout out
Today
to
with
the
digital
5-year-olds.
cameras, do you know that?
Yes.
What is this?
This is what you put the negatives.
Yes,
That's right.
it's a film canister. Now the beauty is reusing things that you
Yes.
have maybe in the basement. So what if
Right.
I open this,
Yeah.
right? And then I put it here.
Yes.
And I'm gonna open this.
Yeah.
And what if I took a little bit of water
Sure.
and I trap it
Into the film
into the film canister?
I can't believe we still have these things.
Just a little bit. Now I'm gonna need you guys to move quick when I tell you to do something.
Okay.
Okay.
Tell us first, and then we'll do it.
Well, trust me, I'm going
Okay.
to. Let's move this. Okay. And let me look up.
Okay.
And let's slide this over because something's gonna happen. Okay. Now you're gonna get a sodium bicarbonate.
Okay.
You're gonna get a sodium bicarbonate.
Thank you, sir.
I'm gonna get one, but I'm not really doing the activity. This is what you're gonna do.
Okay.
Okay. Water, film canister, sodium bicarbonate. When I say go,
Yeah.
you're gonna drop it in.
Yep. And then.
You're gonna close it quickly,
I know it's
turn it upside down,
And put it in there.
step back.
Okay. Ready?
Ready?
Wait, hold on, I gotta
Pick up
move
your
this one.
container. Pick up your container. You want to pick it up, trust me. Now, you're gonna drop,
right.
drop it in, cap it,
Upside down.
upside down, and just step back. Let's do a countdown. Ready?
5,
4, 3, 2, 1.
Did I get it right?
2.
And we did it.
3,
3, 2.
4.
No, wait, come back. Now, what if you're at home with your kids,
Oh my God.
and you're like, okay, we just made a rocket. That literally illustrated.
Happy 4th of July.
Exactly. You don't need to buy fireworks. Make your own.
We gotta go quick. Oh, you put it in a this.
Oh, wait, no.
cute.
Yeah, you can make rockets, but wait.
But wait, there's
Do
more.
me a favor.
No, wait, there's more.
Wait, quick. That went really quick. Take
I
a hex
know,
nut.
you said it was
Take a
gonna be
hex
hex
nut.
nut.
Take a balloon.
hex
Drop your hex nut in the balloon.
No one's ever asked
Try
me
to
to do
squeeze
that
it.
before.
Try to squeeze it through the neck. Ready? Can you do it? Is it in?
Yes, it's in.
Blow up that balloon. Do not swallow the hex nut. Okay, please. I am CPR first aid responder. Keep going, all the way. Good. Tie the balloon if you can.
Okay.
Again, the theme is reactions, right? So,
we
get that through.
go.
If you need help, I can help
I
you.
think I got it.
And check this out. If you don't have it,
I can't tie balloons. It's,
you know what?
it's
Here,
something that
I'll have one for you.
We'll be right back. When we come back, we're
I'm
gonna
gonna
see what happens
hopefully
here.
have tied this balloon.
Don't go anywhere.
Got it.
Stay tuned. You got to figure out what happens
All right,
here.
I do need assistance from the teacher,
We'll be right back.
actually.